So let me update the mash up of the cocoa thing and say. So you take this thing right here because that's part of the cocoa that you mushed up in and what's left. So you take this thing here, push through, push through, push through, and pop out. And that's it, man. I'm Renaissance like the next man and the next woman, you know, say, but listen, man, we're not in the bushes. We're not in the bush, you know. We're not in, you know, the hills. And in Jamaica, them brothers know what them doing. And then the people down the roadside, when the roadside, and then we sell up a cocoa. And I say, quick, with the cutlass. You have to know what you're doing, because if you don't, you're gonna slip thing, man. You take your whole thumb off. So we're not doing that, you know. So that's them. They've been doing that for years. And so then I don't want to use the hammer, because then you mash up the head of the cocoa and you damage the lysine and the cocoa meat in there, which is good and beneficial for your health. So this thing right here is perfect to get this technology. I'll give it a curse. Blessings.